Welcome, my name is Max Hackman and today I'm going to show you how to use the PrepSTEP database. First thing we want to do after getting to the DSC Library online website is go over here to the database link on the right hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases. It'll be under P for PrepSTEP, should be the first one to come up. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging in, please reach out to us either through chat or email. We also have a video tutorial that helps with answering common questions when it comes to logging in. Once we get here, you can search here at the top, just a keyword search for any standardized test you're looking for. They also have help for like basic computer skills. Let's go into Microsoft Office Basics today. I want to show you guys Office 365. And the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to want you to sign in and register. So once we do that, you come over in here to the registration. Make sure it says Daytona State College and then fill out this information. You can use your personal email or you can use your Daytona State College email. Either one will work. You do not actually have to put your student ID or your course section number in here to register, so just make sure you note that. Let me go back here. I've already logged in. So let me log in here. And then you can start the tutorial once you've logged in. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and let us know how we can help.